Financial freedom through real estate investing. Online. Financial freedom through real estate investing. Online refers to the process of achieving financial independence by generating income through real estate investments made via online platforms and tools. This involves using digital technologies to buy, sell, manage, or invest in properties, whether directly or financial freedom through real estate investing. Online refers to the process of achieving financial independence. The aim is to create passive income streams and build wealth over time, ultimately allowing an individual to cover their living expenses without relying on traditional employment. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Invest in real estate. Anywhere in the world. Thanks to the internet, you can now invest in real estate without having to visit the property. Online platforms let you explore global markets, from big cities to growing areas in other countries. This means you're not limited to your local area. You can find better opportunities elsewhere, increasing your chances of making money and reaching financial freedom. Many of these platforms also offer options for fractional ownership, allowing you to invest smaller amounts and diversify across multiple properties. 2. Start small with crowdfunding online. Real estate platforms often allow you to invest in properties through crowdfunding. This means you don't need to buy a whole property. You can just invest a small amount in a large project with other people. This lowers the entry cost, so even with a limited budget, you can still start building wealth and earning passive income through real estate. Crowdfunding also enables you to diversify your investments across different properties and markets, reducing your overall risk while maximizing potential returns. 3. Automate for passive income. The best part of real estate investing online is that many tasks can be automated. You don't have to worry about collecting rent, managing tenants, or handling property maintenance. Online platforms and apps take care of these tasks for you, so you can earn money with minimal effort. This automation helps you create a passive income stream, which is key to financial freedom. 4. Invest in REITs for easy real estate exposure. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, offers a convenient way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the complexities of direct property ownership. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate, such as apartment complexes, commercial buildings, and shopping centers. By investing in REITs, you can participate in the real estate sector without the responsibilities that come with managing properties, such as maintenance, tenant relations, or property management logistics. This is particularly appealing for those who want to benefit from real estate's potential for appreciation and income generation, but lack the time or expertise to manage properties directly. 5. Use online tools for smart decisions. Online real estate platforms are equipped with powerful tools and data analytics that empower investors to make smarter, more informed decisions. These tools provide access to a wealth of information, such as current property values, historical trends, and rental income forecasts, allowing you to analyze potential investments comprehensively. For example, you can view detailed market reports, property histories, and comparable sales data, enabling you to evaluate the viability of a particular property or investment strategy. This data-driven approach helps you identify lucrative opportunities while minimizing the risks typically associated with real estate investing. Additionally, many platforms offer features that allow you to track neighborhood trends, such as changes in property values, demographic shifts, and local economic indicators. Lower costs and fees. Investing in real estate online frequently offers a significant advantage in terms of lower costs and fees compared to traditional methods. One of the most notable savings comes from the elimination of commission fees typically associated with hiring real estate agents. In traditional real estate transactions, agents often charge a percentage of the sale price, which can eat into your profits. Online platforms typically provide a more streamlined process, allowing investors to buy, sell, or manage properties without incurring these hefty commissions. Additionally, transaction costs for online real estate investments are generally lower due to the use of technology and automation, which can reduce overhead expenses. This means that fees for property listings, document processing, and other related costs are often minimized. Take advantage of tax benefits. Investing in real estate comes with a variety of tax advantages that can significantly enhance your overall returns, and these benefits extend to online real estate investments as well. One of the primary advantages is the ability to deduct expenses related to property management, maintenance, and mortgage interest from your taxable income. This means that the costs incurred in managing your investments can effectively lower your overall tax burden, allowing you to keep more of your earnings. Additionally, depreciation, an accounting method that allows property owners to deduct a portion of the property's value over time, further reduces taxable income. This benefit applies to online investments, enabling investors to capitalize on this deduction without the need for direct property management. 8. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments through online real estate platforms is a powerful strategy for managing risk and enhancing your potential for steady returns. By spreading your capital across various property types, such as residential, commercial, and industrial, you can mitigate the impact of downturns in any single market. For instance, if the residential real estate market experiences a decline due to economic challenges, your commercial or industrial investments may still perform well, providing a buffer against overall losses. This ability to invest in different types of properties allows you to capture opportunities across various sectors, each of which may respond differently to market conditions. 9. Learn from experts and community support. One of the standout features of online real estate investing platforms is the access they provide to a wealth of knowledge from industry experts and a supportive community of investors. Many platforms offer resources such as educational articles, video tutorials, and in-depth guides created by seasoned professionals in the real estate field. Additionally, investors can participate in webinars, interactive workshops, and forums where they can ask questions, share experiences, and gain insights from others who have successfully navigated the real estate market. This collaborative learning environment allows you to tap into a collective pool of knowledge, and which is invaluable for making informed investment decisions. 10. Grow your portfolio. Over time, one of the key benefits of online real estate investing is its scalability, which allows you to grow your portfolio over time. You can start with a relatively small investment, often through platforms that offer fractional ownership or crowdfunding, where you own a portion of a property or real estate project. As you begin to earn returns, whether through rental income, dividends from real estate investment trusts, REITs, or property appreciation, you can reinvest those profits into additional properties or projects. This reinvestment strategy is crucial because it allows your capital to grow without requiring constant new investments from your own savings. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.